Hey y'all, I'm just coming on real quick. Another brief video. This is Natural Raw Essence. How y'all doing? I am a natural raw naturalista, Bella, and I feature updos and I'm trying to think what else. Beauty, skincare, and protective hairstyling and product reviews. So if you're interested in these videos, please stay tuned, hit the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe. So today I'm coming to feature the As I Am Classic Hydration Elation. Now, I bought this on a whim. I was at Walmart, and since I got the As I Am color paint, and so when I went back, they had fully stocked all As I Am products, which they haven't really been carrying any As I Am, not that much. So it was fully stocked, and I was like, I haven't really, the only thing I've tried from As I Am was the co-wash many years ago, and I love the co-wash. I don't know why I don't buy it, because I love the co-wash. It is so, it moisturizes my hair. It's creamy, it's real quick, it's easy, especially in the summertime when you just want something to quickly condition your hair and wash it at the same time. So I thought I would try this. This is a conditioner that I can't remember. I only used it once. I want to read the back. I think I rinsed it out. It says after cleansing. Gosh, I can't, it's so lightly written. After cleansing throughout hair, leave on 15 to 30 minutes. Wearing a plastic cap, allow, after remaining, gosh, I can't see, it's kind of faded. Add a bit of water and carefully detangle with conditioner. I'm trying to get to the part of, oh yeah, it does say rinse thoroughly. So I did rinse it out. Okay, I wanted to make sure, but I didn't want to tell you wrong. So this is a conditioner that you rinse out, so you leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. So it's a quick, simple, especially if this is good in the spring and summer when you don't really want to mess around too long in the bathroom with your hair, and you just want something really quick to quickly moisturize it and be on your way. So I went ahead and tried this. It has coconut, sugarcane, green tea, apple, lemon. Gosh, it sounds like something you can eat. Vegetable glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E. This sounds like a meal. Okay, so I tried it and I liked it. I also like the consistency of this product. It is like a interesting texture. It's like a mayonnaise. It feels like mayonnaise that you would put on, like a whipped mayonnaise that you would put on a sandwich. It's very light, and it's so funny because my hair, I love thick conditioners and moisturizers, any kind of butter, I like it thick. But for some reason with these products, the way it's whipped, it's like a thickness to it, but at the same time, it has like a lightweight, I don't know how to describe it. It's thick and light at the same time. So it's a very interesting texture, and I love the smell. And the fact that it has all this rich ingredients in here, because my hair loves coconut. Sugarcane, I have never known that you can put sugarcane in your hair, but it has sugarcane. Maybe that's where that smell is so good. It's like something you can eat. It smells like not really a dessert, but it just smells really nice. It's a light scent, and it's not going to stay in your hair, because when I wash my hair, it doesn't leave any fragrance in your hair at all. But it does have green tea and apple in their products, so I'm not sure It has something to do with, I think, strengthening. And then lemon is like astringent, so it cleanses and purifies. Vegetable glycerin, which adds, I believe, glycerin, it absorbs moisture. It sucks moisture into your hair. So, and then shea butter, of course, everybody knows about shea butter, and vitamin E. So I just wanted to come on here, pop on here real quick to show you this. And it's just, even when you, gosh, when you put it on your, just rub it into your skin, it has a very soft, your skin is left like a lotion, like your skin feels soft. Like, I wonder if you can use this as a moisturizer, skin moisturizer, or like a facial mask. I'm looking for a facial mask. Y'all have any such suggestions for a face mask? Just drop it in the comments below, because yeah, I'm looking for a new face mask. I haven't done facials in quite a while. And I don't really want the sheet mask. I want a creamy, rich mask that I can put on my face, leave it on 10-15 minutes and rinse off. So yeah, this I would highly recommend you try. And I'm not just saying that. I think that this product actually, it works well, and my hair was so soft and detangled after I washed it. And I'm definitely going to be using this with the buttercream, because both of them together, plus using the color treatment, the color paint. Whenever I color my hair, I'm definitely going to like just use all these products together, because of course they all work together because it's the same brand. But these products can also be mixed and I believe cocktailed with other things. I don't think it's going to hurt. And I just had to come on here and feature this. It is worth trying. And I'm curious about trying the other products. Yeah. So as I am, if you could slip some my way, that would be all good. Okay. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.